Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. If you're one of those people that have a hard time caring for plants, this is the video for you. In today's The Daily Eco video, we're going to go through the easiest plants to care for that require little care and little water. Let's begin. Why some plants need less water than others. Xerophilus is the name given to plants that require little water and that have adapted to live in dry habitats with little rainfall. As a result, these plants have experienced physiological adaptations such as rounded shapes. By reducing their surface, they reduce their contact with wind, so the loss of water associated with perspiration also decreases. Small and pointed leaves. By reducing the surface of their leaves, water loss also decreases. In some cases, these plants won't have leaves but will have thorns, helping to also protect themselves. Fleshy tissues. These tissues allow them to store water and make use of the storage during periods of drought. Adapted stomata. When we speak of stomata, we're referring to the pores located in the leaves and stems of plants through which they capture carbon dioxide from the environment and transpire, losing the plant's water. For this loss, xerophilic plants adapt their stomata by covering them with a layer of wax, reducing their size when temperatures drop. Before we continue speaking about plants, how much do you think this plant costs? 10 euros, 50 euros, 500, or more than 4,000? The answer is more than 4,000. This plant is called Kinabalu Gold Orchid and has the price of 4,187 euros for one plant. Now, let's continue by going through the list of plants that require little care and little water. Echeveria. There are about 400 species of this genus, which is characterized by having flattened and fleshy leaves arranged in a form of a rosette, varying in color. These plants can be red, gray, green, lilac, and many other colors. When caring for this plant, you will only need to water them once a week. They can adapt to life indoors or outdoors, and the only requirement they really need in order to survive is plenty of sunlight. Sedum. This genus comprises about 400 species of fleshy, flat, cylindrical leaves that can be found either rosette-shaped or vertically opposed. This plant is a popular choice due to their flowers and the fact that they are very easy to care for. They require plenty of sunlight and fresh air, but will only need to be watered during the hottest months of the year. In the colder months, they will not need any water at all. Cacti. These are one of the most popular plants when it comes to xerophilus plants. Cacti has about 200 genera and 2,500 species. Like the rest of the xerophilus plants, they need sunlight and little water. It's recommended to water them every 10 days in the warmer months and every 20 to 40 days in the colder months. Agaves. There are about 300 species belonging to this genus. They all have a similar appearance thanks to their elongated leaves with pointy ends and their rosette arrangement. These plants need plenty of sunlight as their optimum temperature ranges between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. These plants should be watered once per week in the warmer months and once a month in the colder months. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful and let us know in the comments below which plant is your favorite. We'll see you next time.